writing all my problems down on a sheet of paper. I will pray over them as I burn all the papers. Oh, guess there's some battles I've got to fight alone. Oh, faith and strong will, I believe victory is mine. I refuse to let it pass, weigh me down. I refuse to let anger determine my actions. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's obvious there's a battle going on. A battle of the mind. A battle of the mind. See, I believe healing will come when we blame no one for our pain. It's all in the mind. It's about what we think. It's all about what we think. Moving on. I'm letting go all my pains and my worries. I'm letting go. Moving on. I'm letting go.
I'm letting go, letting
all my
go.
pains and my worries.
Word.
I'm letting go.
Yeah. I'm taking a step forward, man, I'm going. You think you're never going up, but you're growing. They say you reap what you sow, so I'm sowing. Gotta let go before my heart get broken. Yeah, you've been hurt a lot of times. I can see the tears in your eyes. In every darkness there's a light. Everything will be alright. Cause you know an eye for an eye can only make the world go blind. Put on a smile, you can rely on the fact that the sun will shine. Just take a step at a time. Yeah, never click, steady on grind, steady on the low. Keep it on the high, I'm letting go. I'm living my life, I'm doing my way, keep doing my thing. Working every day, trying to get it paid. Don't really care what I say. Try to put me down, but still I don't go fade. Yeah, I'm aiming to see the stars. I'm praying to hit the scars. I can't hold on, cause I'm losing my grip. I spread my arms, yeah, I shout I'm free. If you're feeling me like 1, 2, 3, sing do re mi.
Moving on. I'm letting go all my pains and my worries. I'm letting go. Moving on. I'm letting go all my pains and my worries. I'm letting go.
It's Graham Mix on the mix.